The most powerful of all human sensory abilities is the vision. Do you know why? The human body has about 11 million sensor receptors. Approximately 10 million of those are dedicated to sight. The vision. Why are you saying this all? I'm saying this all by this raw statement. I have been understood that we have to show what have we haven't done. So I thought to bring all of my stuff I have been done in these 2 years, so that you can understand the intensity and the way of preparation of the need. Whether you are 8th, 9th, 10th or dropper, you can see this video definitely. This is gonna be helpful a lot. So let's bring them up all. Hey wait, what is the main motive of this video? The main motive of this video is to share the 10 most important things that every NEET aspirant should follow in their preparation. Yeah, of course, I took 2 years to learn, but I'm going to give this in a short video the 10 most important things. So, let's start.
Constellations guide us, the whispers soft and clear. Star is the promise, a world that draws us near. To open roads inviting, follow where they lead. Together we're rewriting the story that we need. Let's go where no one has ever been, a world unseen beneath our skin. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like giants and let it fall.
Wait, only this much? Exactly not. This is just my 60 to 65% of my preparation books, and left of them are I have been given to my juniors, and left of them have been stolen. Okay, wait. So what are you going to show? Bar? This is any vision that looks attractive? No, not at all. I have one more thing that's more
And
interesting.
come drift with me.
So this is the that magic file. I have been stored all 60 to 65 pages around. Have been practiced this at my last revision time around 2 or 2.5 months time. So it has been covered total at 11,000 to 12,000 questions. So I think I have been made you feel how the NEET preparation is. So yeah. So let's start the things to remember while preparation. So yeah, so the NCRT is everything in the preparation. Almost 80 to 85% of the questions, especially in biology, comes directly or indirectly from the NCRT. So don't just read, revise, underline, and repeat. Consistency beats intensity. Studying daily 5 to 6 hours is better than sudden 12-hour study burst. So build daily discipline. Smart work is better than hard work. So, first of all, have a clear timetable, chapters, revision, test days. Don't waste time on low weightage chapters if your strong areas are incomplete. Practice previous year's papers. Solving at least the last 10 years papers will make understand the question patterns and avoid surprises on exam days. Time management in mock test. Always simulate the exam conditions. 180 minutes, 180 questions. That's all. Train your brain only the speed. Sorry, with accuracy. The most important. Revision is a real game. Don't just learn new things. Revise multiple times, at least 3 to 4 rounds of full syllabus, so it could be written until the last day exam. Focus on weak areas and strengthen strong ones too. Balance two things for this: weak topics, basic clarity; strong topics, perfection. Never ignore both. Health is productivity. So, a good sleep, at least 6 to 7 hours, and Exercise or walk plus a healthy diet are never not negotiable because our tired brain can't even work even after you studied well. So it's very important. Avoid over resources. Stick to NCRT, one reference book, and test series. Many material leads to only two things confusion plus stress. And the last thing, stay positive and stress free. Remember, NEET is a marathon, not a sprint. Self doubt kills more dreams than itself. So focus on your plan and progress. Sorry, I forgot to mention you one thing. We have been created a new Telegram channel only just for you. We will going to upload the resources we have been used in our preparation. So make sure you join that channel. The description has a link. Go and check it out. So, end of the day, in the NEET journey, the question is not about the intensity, competition, practice, perfection, not all the things. The only one thing the question is survivability. So, until last, who survives in this preparation on the journey, that will get the seat. So, hope you survive until the last. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Come drift with me.